When shopping for a used car, there are several important factors to consider. Here are the top 3 that you should look for. Number 1, the vehicle history report. The vehicle history report is going to let you know a few important factors when buying your used vehicle. 1, the ownership history. Who's owned it and for how long? Mileage. Is there any inconsistencies? Any accidents? All very important things when considering a used vehicle. Have you ever heard of Show Me the Carfax? Of course you have. And that's why here at Ventura Toyota, we put a Carfax report in every used vehicle that's on our lot for sale. Number 2, price comparison and market research. Here at Ventura Toyota, we do the research for you, so you can have that peace of mind while shopping at our dealership. We take a 100-mile radius and take all like model cars and price them according to the market, so everyone gets a good deal. And number 3, Toyota certified used vehicles. You know, they always say the best new cars make the best used cars. These vehicles do not hit our inventory until they are inspected by a Toyota certified technician. These vehicles go through a 160-point inspection, 174 points if it's a hybrid, by our factory-trained technicians before they even hit the lot. So you couldn't find a better peace of mind than a Toyota certified used. And now for a bonus tip, dealership reputation. Everyone wants to feel comfortable and buy from a dealer they trust. And the best way to find a dealer's reputation is to search and find great reviews. We encourage our customers to go ahead and look for us online and to search our reviews in our parts, our sales, and our service department. We love being part of the community, and we love taking care of our customers, like you. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, give us a like. And for future tips, subscribe.